Okay, I'm back. Let's get all my stuff in order. Oh wait, the final test, the most important test of all. Let's see if Krita works. Let's see if I have appeased it, if I've pleased it adequately. Sure is taking a long time. Um... So where is my white metal? Oh no, it doesn't need a restart to update. It needs a restart so that I can use the pressure sensitivity. Or actually, so the tablet responds. Because for some reason, it just sometimes just decides that it's not going to read the tablet, and it'll just put it in the corner of the window. So now I have the actual, like, thing. So let's make it that. So we'll do something... What should we do? Yeah, I have to do... Yeah, I've tried quite a bit, but yeah. It's basically just completely restart the computer. Is basically the only way to do it. Oh dang, this doesn't tile smoothly. I mean, I guess if I just do it enough times horizontally, it'll like... Well, I kind of like that effect, honestly. What if I go this way? That's kind of funky. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's some nice brushes in here. This is just one of the default ones. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it sort of mimics offset printing. What is this? Oh, I think this is for painting normal maps, if you have tilt sensitivity, but I think my tablet is so old that it doesn't. Alright, I'm gonna see about changing this. Fiddling with this a bit. Wait, which... Wait, which is... Wait, what? Oh, okay, I see now. I think this needs to go away. Huh? Oh, never mind. I just don't know what I'm doing. I'll just do that effect again. That was pretty easy. Oh, okay, yeah, half done is the word. Yeah, because offset printing is similar, but not quite this. I want a light shaded green. Doesn't really match the vibe. Ooh. Hmm. That's not quite good. Let's do a multiply for this as well. And I'll do, why does this not work? Duplicate layer. How did... Oh, I was pressing plus, I guess? But okay, what I want to do with this is, soft light. Let's try normal. Hmm. There we go. Finally. So I don't know if this is going to be my... I don't know. Actually, I'm... do that maybe, and then what if I just copy this? Let's try this. Metal floor. Hmm. What the hell? Okay, let's do a triplanar. Certainly feels different, I think. Let's do like 3, 3, 3. And we can do the same thing for all of these. Okay, let's just go through this one at a time. So let's go back to this floor. Let's save this as white metal interior dot material. Actually, I might make this a local coordinates thing. Yeah, triplanar local looks a lot better here, because then it's actually like aligned generally to the grid. Let's see. So I think this gives all of my... I'll do these. And this. I guess this isn't designed to be stood on, so it won't have that. But like this. And this. I'm gonna make this like 4 instead of whatever I set it to. Well, this seems perfectly adequate, I guess. It tells it you can now distinguish the floor and the walls and the ceiling. If I can actually see it. There we go. And then these things will just not have that because they're supposed to be like grates or whatever. Alright, I'll say that's good enough. Let's see, so nothing of interest happened there. Tie it to the medium. And yeah, now we're getting into... Put a light in front of Jackie's house. I'm gonna do the easy ones first. So give him the lantern at some point. Oh yeah, that little random thing is gone. So yeah, temperature system, not this time. And no death animation. The player just dies instantly. Fake flag physics. I will not do that. Alright, let's merge all these together. So these are not going to be there. Let's just get bugs. So I think... I don't know how much I want to deal with the medium. And also, I would love to do sound effects, but I'm not going to. Yeah, I figured I should just release something. Because I've been feeling the urge to take a break, so I'm going to release it and then I'm going to take a little while. Well, I'll probably be like doing support for like a week to fix immediate bugs, and then I'll take like a month off, and then I'll come back and like collect feedback and stuff. This song is too much. Alright, I know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play. And then I'm going to add dialogue as I think of it. Alright, I was going to put a little light in front of Jackie's house. And I've also just been spending probably an unhealthy amount of time on this project. Let's see, where is the player's hut? I don't like her face. There's still something wrong with her mouth, but I can't fix it right now. What was I doing? Right, I'm just playing the game normally now. I wonder if I can get, like, every line of dialogue in the game to somehow affect the medium. Well, no, that'd be ridiculous, but maybe... Because I can just go through every line of dialogue, since I have to proofread it anyway, and then I can... I'll do that, actually. Or at least every line of dialogue in the like, what would I call it? I don't know what I call it. should make the bugs bigger to signal that they're important. Because they're sort of equal in terms of, like, mental space to the gems. This works out pretty well. And the fact the Omni lights actually add sort of like a fake ambient occlusion, since there's just one, or there's like a couple lights in the center of the room, so the corners are a little bit darker. Also, I should have made her, that walk cycle is not very good. I guess it's fine because she's like a weird ghost thing at this state. See, this song's also too much for me. Actually, I have a good idea. I'm gonna put on something more mild. Let's do, like, the Fallout soundtrack. Because I think I may already be sort of mentally burnt out. Wait, how does the player, oh, okay, you hold X on the keyboard to reset. I legitimately have forgotten almost all of the controls that I set up for keyboard. Alright, there is a faint sound coming from this. I forgot that I added that. Jackie's not that enthused to meet her. Or to meet this guy. Hmm. This hut is completely empty. I guess I could make some, like, furniture or something, because I'm kinda... I don't know, maybe it's good enough what I have for the thing. And I can just, like, sell it on the... I don't know. Running and jumping around and stuff. I don't know. I suppose maybe my demo area is a bit too small. Actually, I might just completely remove the demo boundaries. Well, I know what I'll do. I think the demo's a little insubstantial, and I don't want the player to have to do console commands, because then they might, like, be tempted to just no-clip through everything and not actually experience the game, or not, like, play anything. So what I'll do is, here... I guess I could, actually. Let's do... Yeah, let's actually put that back. So that's actually a good idea. What I'm gonna do, then... So let's go to 124. No, so I'm gonna go to game state. Or my debug console. So input. Or my UI. So first thing, I'm not actually going to enable the debug console until the player has, well, I know what I'll do. I'm going to have this here. have a conditional. Not global.stat. So I'm not actually going to give the player the console commands, but I will just disable the borders of the demo once they've gotten done with it. Or once they've activated the medium and they've done whatever else they were supposed to do. So let's put a little NPC here. So this will be global.task is complete. Activate the medium. And exists the free tower and global.stat 3. Well, nah. He'll be here still. Let's see, this will just be demo, not dialogue. So I'm gonna do, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, first off, I think I'll unbind the console commands. Actually, I guess I can probably do that now. Oh, and I should probably remove the debug randomized code. Debug toggle animator. Debug console. Debug map view. Any more debug things that I need? No, okay. Those seem to be everything. And let's do conditions. Hmm. Hmm. I guess that you don't necessarily need to do that. So it'll be you've activated the medium, and you've gotten the capacitor at the top. Connect. Oh, wait, it's not on stat changed, it's stat changed. Global stat change tag value. TV. Okay, so basically all this stuff is so that I can add this stat here. Also, I think my character should have a sublime code. How do I set that up? It's in Little Man. It's in a code. Maybe? Hmm. Yeah, you know what? This is important to me, so I will continue to do this now that I keep doing this. Okay, so it's show code. If fancy, show code, generate code, code.rarity.sublime. Alright. Let's see how this looks. So basically now there should be a little guy at the top of the thing. Or at the top of the world. Or the top of the medium. It said 12:01 a.m. I'll have to check that, because it might be using AM and PM wrong. Let's see my clock. Time. If time is greater than or equal to 12, PM equals not PM? Alright, let's try that. Oh, right, I can't, I don't have access to the console anymore. Hang on. Let's sleep for 2 hours. He should be, his cube head should be a little smaller, I think. Alright, so now I have to play the game legit. For the first time in, like, a while. I'm seeing lovely little, like, GPU corruptions as well on my screen. So hopefully my computer doesn't literally actually die. I might actually get a new computer during the break. Because I am having hardware issues with this one. I keep going onto the right side of the chair. I've never actually tested on the left side because I know it doesn't look good. I'm gonna make one of these lights cast a shadow. see. So I'm going to say this one. I cast a shadow. Look at that. Now we have nice, lovely little shadows. And we can see the player does not cast a shadow in this world. Ooh. Little frame dip there. Huh? Oh. Well, good thing I play tested. Because I forgot that that was a mirrored mesh. And I forgot it had edge split. Alright. Oh, right, and this is also mirrored. For some stupid reason, it's like, it's so... like, look at this. Look at how trivial these are. Apply. Nope. Nope. Apply. Apply. Alright, so that should work the instant that I come back here. I also need... I should just put more stuff, like, out here, because it's a little bit... so it gets a little dull. Well, it's sparse, but it's not too bad, I guess. Because, like, if you follow the little trails of diblets... The inventory is still screwed up. Though, admittedly, it's still functional, so I think the player might assume that's intentional if, like, a weird choice, and then they'll come back and they'll be like, wait, that was a bug. So it's not that bad. Alright. So the hapless young player. Oh wait, I still need to test to make sure that the chunk 124 isn't completely screwed up, because I pulled the vertices around for more interesting, like, geometry there. And also, it's running it's actually running pretty good frame rate here. It's like 60. Right, I still need, I guess I can just put, hang on. I'm just gonna put the same sound effects from the NPC. Where's my death net? So do I have sounds? Let's add an audio stream player 3D. Let's have it, so it goes SFX enemy. Unit size will be like 5. XTB would be like 0, -1. And its pitch scale will be like 0.8. Crawley damaged. Crawley death. Equals damaged sound. Wait, not there. Here. Oh right, I can't cheat and save here. Right, let's get up to, well, okay, so this one's good. So which one am I looking for? This one. Save and close. Maybe 136. Holy crap, I like completely screwed up the economy of this place. Like, I can't just have, like, guys, like, everywhere. Let's just get, like... Fine, why not? It's a little out of the way. The player will feel slightly rewarded for that. Okay, so this mostly messed up 136, which is fine by me. Because 136 kind of sucked. Alright, and this one, this is the only thing that changed here, so let's also get these. Let's see if these enemies now... Oh wait, I need to save and quit. I should have seen what those errors were. Because this is basically like my final playtest. Because I think, honestly, I might just not add anything else to it. Because well, I don't know. It sort of gets the gist across, but it is, I think, not really, like... It doesn't fully demonstrate the idea that I want, but I don't know if I can demonstrate it, so yeah, I don't know. Yeah, good enough. Having a deeper sound gives him a little bit of character, and I don't have to do too much work for that. I think the enemies in the game are kind of pushovers, though. I might need to buff them. Alright. Maybe I should make it clear to the player where the demo region is. Alright, and this will be the first time I've played through this entire area legit. Uh-oh. Oh wait, I should put like a... Oh. Whew. Okay. So this area, the reflections are still all screwy. What if I reduce the intensity of the reflections in here? Because it seems like it's just going to not work out very well. Because for whatever reason... Actually... Wait. What is the reason for that, actually? So what exactly is causing this? So it's way brighter than it's supposed to be. So if I look at this... Visual instance, color mask. 16, 17. Should I increase the max distance? And reduce the intensity, maybe? Is there actually... Did I actually ever design a way past this thing? I think I need to put like a little bit more. Let's move one of these over to here. Just a little bit. Oof. Maybe I should put a little bit more around that drill so the player has a chance of like actually like making it. Oof. I'm also going to move that up like a hair. Because it feels like her head is completely submerged, so it's like... Let's make it like here. Yeah, that's a little better. I was about to not notice that. Can I actually make this? Hmm. I'm gonna put a couple gems here, so that way the player, like, can figure this out. This should be here. Because the player needs to be able to figure out that this is climbable. And here I'm having the same issue with the reflection probes again. Where it's like, it's reflecting as if it had seen outside the world because the asynchronous shader compilation was really slow. Wait, no. Never mind. That one was my bad. It's because it was outside the world. Oh, okay. I thought it was floating for some reason. It was, like, confusing to me. So this is now, like, the way to get out of here. Or the way to get up here. Like, that other way is way easier, but it's also... Wait, where do I go? Oh. The cracks in the rocks completely disoriented me. Okay. So then that dumps you here. There's that right there. There's that right there. So let's go here because I want that hoverboard. Now we have this little area. And eventually I need to do something with the, whatever I call it. Alright, so this area also has completely screwed, placement. Yeah. I gotta get rid of, like, 2/3 of these, gems and, like, bugs. Like this one, that bug's okay. So yeah, we're officially a low bugs household. Let's just do, like, pickup. Then we'll just grab anything. Looks like there's too many of them. Cut through here. Cut through here. I'll leave this one. This one's cute. And I do like these ones that are like sideways on here. I'll keep those. But I won't keep the bug there. I'll put the bug in a much more interesting spot. Like right here. Like half of these go in the way of the dodo. And I think I'll put a bug right in here. Wait, there's a stamina up here? No, there should be a health up here. You can't give the player too many goodies. This one, I'll move this one to like here. That way it's at least a little more out of the way. This one, well, I like that one more. Okay, wait, but didn't I thought I put the hover scooter up here. Where did I put the hover scooter then? I guess it's still at 109? So the player has to do all of this without the hover scooter? That's unfortunate. Oh well. Not my problem. Right, I guess I'll get the health up. It doesn't even heal me. What a ripoff. Actually, how far can I go out this way? I think the player should get the hoverboard pretty early, now that I'm thinking about this. Or at least have the ability to get it early. If they're exploring around. Let's say, Emerge from scene. Areas, chunks, 109. No, 97. I need the hoverboard. Hover scooter pickup. Well, no, they should... No, it shouldn't be there, because then that completely makes that, like, water platforming area not scary. Here. Alright. Now this is a good place for this. And I'll say it's okay that there's a little more gems out there than probably reasonable. The frame rate's going to shit here. What is causing all this, hang on. Is it physics time? It was physics time, okay. That's concerning. Oh wait, hang on. Could it be that I've mistakenly put something in the... Hang on, let's stop that. Because the last time there was something like that, it was because one of these chunks was like, had the wrong collision. No, but I said all these the same, didn't I? I mean, no, I do want them to infight with each other. What else could it be, though? And also, if the physics is taking up time, why is the physics time not increasing substantially? But what did I do? Is it... So it was when the enemies moved, so it's something to do with their areas. I think. Can I actually climb up this thing? I don't think I can actually... Oh, I can. It's fiddly, though. Hopefully that... Let's stop this for now. Actually... Ugh, the physics are taking... Okay, so that, yeah, there's something off with the physics in this area. Wait, if the player doesn't have enough bullets down here, they're soft locked. How did I not notice that? Oh wait, I did notice that. I just accidentally have these not... What is happening with these? What? They're not here. They're clearly not here. What does that mean? I mean, I guess I could do, like... Pistol pickup? It's like, remove one of those. Guaranteed pistol pickup. I mean, this doesn't solve the underlying issue, which is, the fact these are gone. Or not, like, generating properly, but... that does give you one, at least. Whew. Why is the water red? That's, like, unsettling. Is it? Oh, it's because the outside is red. Okay, I think it's because the The reflection probes don't factor in their own ambient lighting, I don't think. Wait, why is this... this should not have this material. This should be... because this is a vent. It's not a, like, thing that you're supposed to walk in. This is still probably an issue. I think players will struggle to notice that. And this might be unintuitive for players as well, but that's okay. That also. Alright, let's put like a little spotlight. Let's do like a slightly yellowish light here. Okay, so now it should be pretty obvious that there's something over here. Ooh, what was that? See, she still freaks out when she's like aiming and shooting at the same time, so I'll have to figure out what I want to do with that. What was the intended way for the player to get up here? If they don't know about just climbing on walls? I guess these. Hmm. Whew. There's something going wrong there. There's something wrong with... Or my animation... Hang on. Door. So every single door should be in physics. Let's just do this. Physics. I think it must be something wrong with maybe the ledge grab jump, or ledge jump, or whatever it is. That's tricky. I don't know how many of these things the players can actually understand. Oh wait, I'm gonna see if this worked. Yes, it did. Okay, so the player can just hop down here as well. So they have basically two options for how to get down. What? So I want enemies here, I think. Huh? Okay, so there's a bug with my... Hang on. We have now gone... Can you tell that we went to the Night in the Woods soundtrack? Okay, so the player has to do that. So the player could get hopelessly lost in here if they're not careful. So hopefully they don't do that. And now it's evening. Hopefully the player doesn't get lost in the night, which they could. They very well could. What time is it? 7:54 p.m. It gets pretty dark in this world. This is 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Maybe I should keep the ambient light a bit brighter. Or make it a bit brighter at this point. Alright, well, I want to take a sleep, which will put me in the dead of night, and then I can sleep again. And then I'll wake up at a beautiful, beautiful, bright and early 6 a.m. sharp. She wakes up exactly at 6 a.m. She has a very strong internal clock. What were the bugs I wanted to fix also? I remember there are bugs that I needed to fix that I forgot to put it down here. Let's just say bugs. Oh yeah. Switches look activated, but aren't internally. Bad frame rate. Around the whoever, or around the 113 tower. And now the game's running at significantly better frame rate. I think there is something off with 113 now. So I should look through, like, whatever entities it has, because it could be the same thing as last time, where... whatever it was. Hey, wasn't this... Hey. That guy lied to me. Where's my debug console? Huh? Well, dang. Well, I guess I could just save here. I bet it's because you have to reload the game. I bet it doesn't work how I want it to right now. Yeah, okay, so my active listener isn't right. Alright, so let's go back to world. Because once this stuff is done... So I'm gonna not... I guess I won't do that. And I guess I did this. Sort of. Don't care about these ones too much. Don't care about this one. I guess this one, fine. Or not doing. Activating the medium, nah. Switches look activated but aren't internally. Bad frame rate around the 113 tower. Yeah, okay, so let's get these bugs looked at. Because I think otherwise, it's functional, sort of. It's, you know, people can play it and have fun with it. Alright, so how does this active listener thing work? I mean, I guess I could just do demo. So boundary demo. Oh, wait, did I just not... Okay, I just didn't check the box. Okay, cool. Alright, now you can just, now you just have free reign. You can do whatever you want, and get in as much trouble as you want. Wait, hang on. Now that I think about this... I'll just not have that. Alright. I'll say that's, good enough for the playtest. So switches do not work quite right anymore. So what's happening here? So on... Set on true. Reset upon death. On true true. How does this work? So it's instant auto. So if instant. Okay, I see what's happening here. So if instant else. Well, how do I actually... hang on. If instant switch or anim.seek current animation length. And then let's do I guess. So this is, if it's instant, it does that, then it'll emit this signal. So this is all just sound effect stuff and the animation. So this should work now. Because if it's instant, seek to the end, and we emit this instant toggled. Otherwise, if it's auto, we do that stuff. Otherwise, if we do that stuff. Okay. I'm reasonably confident in that. Let's see. Alright, let's save right here. Okay. Now the animation plays. It was because I didn't set the... If I forgot that when it's instant, it still needs to play the animation, it just needs to seek to the end of it. Alright, bad frame rate around 113 tower exterior. I guess let's do a new game again. Then we'll... 3. No clip. Well, actually, I guess not necessarily. No, we won't no clip, but we will profile. Because maybe I need to... It might be a case where I need to just make the... No, okay, so the frame time is bad here. So what's the metrics? Is it like the objects that are being drawn? It's okay, because frame rate, pretty bad. And I'm now moving in the game. So what if I look this way? It's not significantly better. But I mean, it's not... I guess that's not bad frame rate. I mean, the physics times is really pushing it, though. See, I guess it is mostly process time here. But then if I disable no clip, the frame rate goes to garbage because of the physics specifically, and strictly the physics. So let's go back to general physics common. Okay, min frame rate 30. I'm gonna fiddle with the this again, because when I was going to sleep I thought, oh, you know, for this timer sync thing. So physics step? No. What was it? Let's just go to advanced. So we need physics step frame slice. So I'm going to do max physics time times 1.5. So it tries to keep like a 50% interval. Or like, yeah. So it tries to just keep ahead of itself. Oh, oops. Scones, tools equals yes. J8. Weird. Oh well. Let's see the game in action. Let's see the profiling in action. Let's do profile start. What's this? So I'm seeing a little bit of physics jitter. Alright, that seems to have helped substantially. Yeah, because I can see now. Yeah, basically just I'm cranking it up a little bit faster. So now the physics frames lose precision faster, but it doesn't feel dramatically different to me at least, but it should hopefully make the frame rate not catastrophically fail if the physics are taking a long time for whatever reason. And I don't know why. I don't know why it's so bad here, though. So let's fix that. Because, you know, that's a nice little band-aid on it, but I'd prefer if the game had a high frame rate, rather than just a consistently low frame rate. Alright, so first off, I'm going to make a new script. Tools, scripts, new script. Because they have these big things. Let's do, so where's the collision? Close other tabs. 4. Run. Cursive. Hide. Scene. Get. Scene. If node is collision object and dot and 6 hide else node. Oh wait, if not wait this hang on, I know what to do. Print and not node is enemy body. C in node dot get children search C. I was trying to do something with hiding and showing things, but that doesn't really help. Oh wait, no. Wrong thing. And 6. Why are bug pickups? Okay. I think that actually answers a lot. So what is the collision here? That is dumb. They should just be layer 1. Oh wait, hang on. Actually. Item. Pickup. That's nonsense. Why is that there? Distance activated and push. Like, because they don't attack the player, ever. So what's this area? That's fine. Okay, so let's hope... Yeah. Alright. Whoops. Let's close all tabs. So, okay, that probably would cause some collision issues. I don't know why I had it set up like that. Like, what's the possible justification? Why are these bug pickups... Hang on. Now these bug pickups are, like, making me mad. So, I have to... Alright, cool. Alright, whatever. I can manage to just reset these to how they're supposed to be. I don't know why they have decided that they're too good for their parent node or inherited node or whatever they are. But okay, then it's just the switches, which... Actually, I can do that with the switches. So let's go to player, or like gun, or something. Mask attack, plus... So let's go to, like, the switch. Let's make it 7, 8, 12. I'm too dumb for this. I'm just not smart enough for this. Let's just do 30. So basically, we're going to have the player is going to be able to hit anything in mask attack. So 1-30. No, 1-. So 1 shifted 0 is layer 1. So this is 1 shifted 29. So this way, enemies will not be aware of these targets. Let's hope the pistol works like that. Okay, it has gun mask attack. And then, let's do that with the player then. Because now the player needs to have their hitboxes. Someone's like sneezing or screaming or something. Oh, it's a dog. Okay. It was like scaring me. So let's get pistol. Let's get all the weapons. Gravity gun, pistol, time gun, wave shot, laser dot TSCN. So this spring arm. Collide on these three? I think. Oh, the time gun doesn't need anything here. The, this one does. 30. And this one does. Explosion, 30. Let's see, pistol. Does this have anything? Cast start. No, okay, because this uses the mask attack. Okay, so now I just need to make sure that I did not break that, and I can see if it actually improved performance at all. Which is probably also important. So let's just eyeball it for now. Oh wait, I bet it's these as well. Okay, but it feels a little better, maybe. Let's go to also the target flower. But I do kind of want these to be attackable by the player. Maybe not. And let's hope those work, because for some reason things were just not working. Oh, okay. It doesn't even have... it shouldn't even affect it. Alright. And yeah, look at that. Frame rate dramatically improved because I don't have a bunch of big colliders colliding with little shapes. So yeah. Tragically, my, well, I guess what I can do is I can still have the projectiles hit these. It's just enemies won't consciously target them. So that way there's still an interaction there, but it's just unintentional. Layer? 30? Okay, that should be fine. So yeah, that means that these things... Alright, cool. So I'm glad that I now sort of like have an understanding of how the like performance works in this game. Or like this engine. We can actually... let's double check this with the profiler. Oh yeah. Yeah, there. So it's still a little high, but it's like 9 milliseconds or 16 milliseconds, so it's like still maintaining above 60 FPS. Well, at least for the physics. Then this is not 60 FPS, but who cares? I'm streaming. And that's probably also because, you know, it has to run 2 physics steps or whatever, since the low frame rate from the latency of the stream. Alright, let's say that that's good. And see, and there's this little bug, which, well, I can probably fix that. Well, no, it'd be kind of tricky. I'd have to rework. I have to rework the how the little guys do their animations basically for that. They should, because they should basically fire off an animation, or like have their own like in dialogue state. This one would be kind of nice, but it's a little late for that, I think. Because I have been streaming for like 9.5 hours now. I started at like 9:15. So let's push this. Wait, I didn't ever make sure. Before I do that, I should, let's... More things from play testing. Stat. Cool, and all that stuff. Then we get our funny little man. Alright, then let's do, so where are those demo borders? Oh, they're actually like really far back here. You don't even get to see these little houses. Oh wait, no you do. Okay. And okay, that works. I was worried it'd crash the game if I didn't test it. Alright, so I have to be off tomorrow morning. So I'll need to make tonight. I'll need to make my Linux build. Alright. So I think that's oh wait, no, I forgot to one last thing. Where's my splash screen? Where'd it go? So E1605 project. So where's the splash? Is it in here? No. Maybe it's okay, I'll export this and I'll make that the splash screen. Because I don't know why I didn't do that. And I will not do that. Because I'll just make this match. Project splash.png. Oh, and I should make a little icon, too. Don't I have, I'll figure out where that is. So now let's see that in action. I guess maybe it will be full size. She has a bit of a longer face in her promotional art. Or that little splash screen. I also need to set up the itch.io page to like properly like demonstrate the game. I don't know, maybe I'll just get some nice screenshots from this playtesting that I've done. Alright. So that gets that. Application icon. So let's see. Don't I have to run some third-party tool or something? Hang on, I have to figure this out. Godot icon. Yep, I do. I have to make an ICO format. Let's see, what can I do for a icon? I guess I have my little, the thing that I made for, what was it? Whatever it was. The Discord server. Because, I mean, it is a, it is an image that is in the shape of a square. It's not even her anymore, though. Like, that's not what she even looks like anymore. That's just inaccurate. False advertising. Alright, let's do, like, green screen. Project settings. I know what I'm gonna do. Huh? Align to grid didn't work. It's not working. 0.166667 degrees, thank you. Thank you for setting my... I don't get it. It's never consistent. It's just always something different. Alright, let's get a camera. .01. Who is setting the snap to these things? Like, why? It seems like it's different every... I swear to God, there's so many options here that are just different for every single scene. And it's not reasonable. She looks good with like a low field of view, I think. She still has kind of lumpy cheeks. I don't like that much, but it's a little bit too late to fix everything. Alright, let's see if I can do like tools, filter, colors, color to alpha, color sampler. Okay. That seems to have been pretty effective. Let's see if I can swap it out with something. So it'll be something like... It'll be basically the same thing as the old version. Material... I guess environment Valor? Flag? Yeah. Oh wait, I've been using shift this whole time. Okay. So her face is slightly transparent, so let's select opaque. Let's put green back on the menu. Maybe like yeah. It didn't do it. She's green screened. She's green screened. Okay. Hang on. Can I just select this shade? Actually, what if I just do filter or select show global selection, select from color range. Can I just select the I have a good idea. It's on purpose. See, it's on purpose. It all makes sense in the end. That looks kind of like garbage, but oh well. It'll be from like... Let's make this the center. Shift Control. C N I 256. Alright, so this will be my new icon. Project. icon.png. So now I need to figure out a way of generating... Oh, okay. I forgot I was there. Alright. How do I generate an ICO? ICO file. Alright, let's use one of these sketchy websites. They're gonna steal my icon and make it their own. So, alright, we need... Oh, wait. Do I not have... Okay, so I need 1632... Which sizes do I need? 48 by 48 as well. 64 by 64. 128 by 128. 256 by 256. Save and download. I'll call that icon.ico. It'll go straight to my project file. So that gives me all of my beautiful things. Whoa, that is crusty. Whoa. That is garbage. Hang on. HDR mode, disabled. Detect 3D on? No. Mode. Lossless. That is crusty. Hang on. Did I do something wrong? Or is that... Hopefully that's fine. Maybe disable? Okay, good. Hopefully. It might do something automatic though, now that I think about it. Hopefully not. I'll just project export Windows. Where's my icon? How do I set the icon? Okay, so that's good. So now we need to scons tools equals no, np profile equals no, LTO equals full, target equals release, J8. Let's do J9. Alright, and hopefully, because I did these builds a little bit ago, so there shouldn't be too many changes. Oh wait, do I need to... No, wait, no. It's a separate application, so I don't need to worry about this. I'm gonna eat the last of my pizza. Well, last, quote unquote. Actually, I don't know how many slices I've eaten. I think this is my sixth slice of a large pizza. So, uh-oh. Why does it say I've only been streaming for 3 hours? When did I stop streaming? Maybe the preview is just wrong, or whatever it says there. But alright, so I guess this LTO stuff's going to take longer than I thought. What if I just close out of this? That seems to have made it go slower. Ah, well. It's just going up. Alright, I didn't quite get everything I wanted in there. But that's okay. I was tired of doing things the hard way. I think, you know, something I think to myself a lot is, anything can be easy if you do a bad enough job at it. And usually I mean that in the sense of, like, when people are saying, like, oh, that's hard, you should do it this way, and it's like, no, that way is worse. I don't want to do it worse, I want to do it this way, you know, for the better result. But you can also use it in the sense of, like, you know, like, it could have been hard for me to release a demo, but I've done what I think is kind of a bad job of doing it, because I just declared that I was going to release it Monday, and then I, you know, got a list of bugs together and fixed some of them. And it's like, I don't know, that's not really a good job to me, but I do sort of just want to just have something released, even if it's not really in a complete state. Because it's also like, there's not that much pressure. Because if it sucks, I'll just keep working on it, and then it won't suck. But hopefully at least the frame rate is good, because I've spent a lot of time figuring that out. I just realized now pickups will collide with the player, since I set their mask, or their layer, from 3 to 1. When really, I think they should just have no layer at all. Because the layer, like, they don't need to collide with anything other than the terrain, which they do by setting mask to 1. So I'll just set that once this is done. Well, I guess I can do it while that's happening. I keep forgetting, I'm not compiling the tools right now, so I can actually work. Hey, look at that. And hopefully the scenes won't, like, screw up because of this. But maybe I'll just, I'll figure it out. Would you look at that? They work. I don't even have to re-import everything, or set them manually, or whatever I had to do last time. Okay, I'll have to make sure that this actually works, though, and that this doesn't cause, like, a bunch of bugs or weird behavior. But it should be fine, since the only thing they really need to collide with is the terrain. And in the demo, they technically don't have any, they don't have any way of activating the gravity on things, I don't think. Oh wait, no. Things that drop from enemies have gravity. I'm like losing control of my mouth. I think it's because of the pizza. It's making my mouth oily. So it's too slippery for my muscles. You know what, while I'm here, I'm gonna fix this one. I don't know what this is. Base null instance of null instance. So maybe it's, I bet it's set preview. If not, engine.editor hint, or not. Or has node activator. Okay, I see. So it's because it's calling set preview at the start of the thing. Because it's really only useful for whatever it's useful for. But okay, that looks good. let's play the game a little bit more. Make sure that nothing broke. I don't like how, for some reason now, there's different behavior for the splash screen, and it's like I literally haven't updated my Godot in like months, so I don't know how that changed. I still don't actually know how my Godot broke though, or like my splash screen broke. Oh, and also, woof, there's some frame rate dips there. Hang on. Now that I actually understand some of this, maybe I can figure out like what's happening there as well. Like, is it like a physics thing, or is it a rendering thing? Is it processing? Yeah, so there's a lot of physics time there as well. So it's like, what's up? This actually helps so much. So like, because before it only told me the physics time for one step. And now I get a decent approximation of that with the physics frame. So I guess it doesn't, there's not much that can be helped because it is, well, no, I can run the physics frame faster. Or the physics time. So let's go to 112. See if we have any bad nodes. Those are their tabs. Coat pickup. Why is the coat pickup there? Huh? Wrong. No, it should be this. I don't like how this button doesn't set it back to like what it was from like inheritance. It sets it back to like the default value like from the editor. But okay, so that wasn't the issue. I'm basically out of ideas then. Let's unpause. So yeah, mostly physics issues. Wait, did that fix it somehow? What? That like fixed it. Huh? Like, the physics frames are running at like twice the speed now. No, wait. No, okay. It must be just a fluke, I think. I think that's just a coincidence. Maybe there's something that I did weird. But okay. So there's like a pretty harsh dip in here, I think. I don't know what that means. Let's see how it feels in the actual release build. So let's just export this. Runnable, export project, ends of eras, no debug. Did I set the icon properly? Hang on. I did. Okay. I forgot to unbind the debug console. Well, let's test once with that. So I need E. export ends of eras. It doesn't have the icon. It doesn't have its icon. Already complete. I mean, it has it there. Alright, so I'm seeing that my compile... Okay, so my asynchronous shaders were a complete failure. That whole shader loading system, freeloading, still a complete failure because Godot is so smart that it decides that it's not going to compile the shaders that I asked it to compile. Because it realized very cleverly, very intelligently, that the object has already been hidden from view. And there's no possible way that I will need a shader for an object that was visible and is not visible anymore. Oh, also there's a minor bug here. He's supposed to do something. Oh well. I'm gonna test... I completely forgot to test the, Okay, I'm seeing a frame dip there. Yeah, frame dip here, still. Oh god. So many frame dips. This game runs like terrible ass. This game sucks. Don't buy it. Alright, so it doesn't break that. Okay, so that's good. I don't know. Good enough for me. Let's fix the final bugs and export. Okay, so why is this not right? How do I look at an ICO file? Can I like... No, I can't do anything with that. Alright, let's go to, Why did I close Sublime Text? Oh. Is that... Alright. Project dialog demo. So, oh, okay. This has to do plus me / disgust completion. Actually, I can just do have fewer variables if they're linked to the same condition. Alright, so one is my icon file doesn't work. So let's go to a different sketchy website with exactly the same format. Okay, 256? Well, I need the 16 and the... No, so that one's not good enough. So let's see. Is this some stupid, like... Oh, yeah, and download our website. Oh, GIMP. Okay. What? Okay, I guess that's fine. Oh wait, no, that was just to make a PNG. What the hell? Interesting. I wonder if you can export an ICO and Krita. Because I'm suspicious of these, like, websites. Oh no, cool, useful. Okay, so if I export ICO Krita, saving for the web, Krita, it's like, okay, I guess it must support it. Control F ICO. It doesn't exist. Okay, so if I'm exporting to an ICO, why is it showing me things that aren't exporting to an ICO? Why is it showing me these things? I opened up Krita. Whatever. My icon is good enough. No, wait. Hang on. Is that it? What? I don't understand it. What? I don't understand what that meant. I don't understand why they let me set that. Okay, so is this the icon then? So which one is the icon? It's like, do you pinky promise that this is going to be the icon that I use? Godot. Because I saw it over here, I didn't see it in the application. And I'm pretty sure I clicked 16 by 16. Maybe I needed some other file, like 24 by 24? Because it could have just said, like, oh, you need all the sizes, and then it listed sizes, and it might have just not listed some of them. Oh well, I'm getting preemptively angry. Wrong file, wrong icon. That's not the right icon. How is it only 200 megabytes? How is it smaller than it used to be? Oh, it's because I removed the light maps. Okay. So the light maps used to be like the majority of the file size. Alright, well, yeah. Because I would still like light maps, but... That's so funny, though. I was worried that I was going to hit, like, memory constraints from, like, loading the entire game into RAM, but it's like... I could load the entire game, like, 4 times over on most computers that are available nowadays. Like, you could load it 4 times over on, like, an iPhone 4. Well, that's probably stretching it, but... I still don't... Yeah, whatever. Okay, the icon is there. I'll assume that it's not here, but that's fine. I must have done something wrong. Got something incorrect. Why did I close that again? Because I need to make a zip. Whatever. That's the stream. I'm gonna package that up in a pretty little bow, and I'm gonna put it in a zip file. I'm gonna put it on Linux. Put it on. Yeah, it's Windows and Linux. I will let you guys know when it's available, because it'll be Monday. Maybe I'll try to make a devlog to announce it, but that's kind of a stretch because I am busy on Sunday, and I have like a job. Oh well, tune in for that. See ya.